Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to check the industry of a pipeline in Odoo 19 using AI. So let's dive into the CRM module. And before moving on to the CRM module, just move on to the AI module first. And we just need to ensure that we have um, the we have to set up the API key. So under the configuration, you just need to set the ChatGPT account, or you can use your Google Gemini account. What you have to do is provide your API key to connect with your account. Then only you'll be getting the using the AI. Once everything is done, we can just move on to the CRM module. And from here, you can see that we have the pipeline. And let me move on to the list view. And here we have the studio module. And let me just use the AI field. So here you would be able to see the AI fields, and let me add the AI fields. Either you can just add the AI fields over here, or you can simply open a form view. Okay, so let me just move on to this view itself, and let me open one of the pipeline, and I would like to add a field called industry over here. I just want to know which industry to which this pipeline belongs to. And here we have the AI field. So let me drag and place it over here. Now we can just make further changes over here. So I'll be using a prompt that is based on the knowledge. I just need to get which industry of the company is this, and let me add it. And once everything is done, we can just change the label of the field. So let me set it as industry, and yeah, let me add it over here. And here you can see the prompt that we have given. And once that's done, what you have to do is you can save the changes, and let's close it. And now you can see that we have the pipeline, and upon clicking on the industry, you will be getting the industry over here, which means Odoo AI will be updating the industry. So here you can see that it belongs to wood products manufacturing. Now let's go on to any other random pipeline, and let me choose um, yeah, office design and architecture. And as you just move on here, if you want to just get the industry, you can simply choose the industry, and here it comes under the construction material. So it's very easy to get the industry using the Odoo AI. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.